Many people have said that they've driven by the castle so many times without understanding exactly the scope of what's here. This property has played home to artists like Bob Dylan himself. Andy Warhol actually shot one of his most famous movies here. It was widely regarded that at that period, the castle was really the epicenter of the creative and cultural scene of the 60s in the same way that Warhol and his factory was in New York. A lot of the homes that have this kind of Hollywood history in Los Angeles have really been lost over time to different remodels that have gone against the original intent of the architect. But what we see here, I think, really just represents the level of care and the level of honor that a lot of the past homeowners have given to this property. It's almost like they had a sense of responsibility to maintain it because of its legendary history. We're really seeing it in the same way and in the same manner that the people who lived here in the 1960s and the people who lived here in the 1920s when it was first built also saw it. And I think that that is something that is so rare to find in Los Angeles. The room that Bob Dylan occupied is what's now seen as the primary bedroom. And it's noted that when he was here, he heard typing his lyrics well into the night. We actually have a photo of his desk, which was situated right at the base of the window that overlooks Griffith Park.